Welcome to Car Fusion. Today, we delve into the epitome of luxury and utility, the 2025 Toyota ProAce Long VIP. This masterpiece seamlessly blends opulence with practicality, setting new standards in the world of premium vans. The ProAce Long VIP boasts an impressive exterior length of 5,331 millimeters, offering a commanding presence on the road. Its width, measuring 1,920 millimeters without mirrors, ensures ample interior space without compromising maneuverability. The van's height stands at 1,940 millimeters, providing a spacious cabin that feels both open and inviting. Site Turn 0 Search 1. Inside, the ProAce Long VIP offers a generous load length of 2,852 millimeters, which can be extended to 4,024 millimeters with the Smart Cargo system. This innovative feature allows for the transportation of longer items without sacrificing passenger comfort. The maximum load volume reaches up to 6.6 cubic meters, ensuring that both passengers and cargo travel in style and comfort. Site Turn 0 Search 4. Under the hood, the ProAce Long VIP is powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine, delivering 180 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. This robust engine ensures smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, whether navigating city streets or embarking on long-distance journeys. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience is both refined and responsive. Site Turn 0 Search 2. Fuel efficiency is a standout feature, with the ProAce achieving up to 39 miles per gallon, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. Site Turn 0 Search 1. This efficiency ensures that luxury does not come at the expense of sustainability. Stepping inside the ProAce Long VIP, you're greeted by a cabin designed with meticulous attention to detail. The driver enjoys 6-way seat adjustment, along with reach and rake steering wheel adjustments, ensuring a tailored driving position. However, taller drivers might find the seating position slightly limited due to the bulkhead design. Site Turn 0 Search 1. The double front passenger seat offers versatility but may be a bit snug for two adults, especially with the central gear selector pod. Storage solutions are thoughtfully integrated throughout the cabin, including under-seat compartments and multiple door pockets. The 10-inch infotainment touchscreen comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Site Turn 0 Search 1. Safety is paramount in the ProAce Long VIP. The van comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring lane departure alert, road sign assist, driver attention alert, and an automatic high beam system. Additionally, adaptive cruise control and autonomous emergency braking enhance safety during long drives. Parking is made effortless with rear parking sensors and an optional rearview camera, ensuring confidence in tight spaces. Site Turn 0 Search 0. Understanding that every business has unique needs, Toyota offers a range of customization options for the ProAce Long VIP. From internal linings and refrigeration units to full-body conversions, the van can be tailored to suit specific requirements. Factory conversions such as drop-side and tipper versions are also available, all benefiting from Toyota's comprehensive warranty protection. Site Turn 0 Search 3. The 2025 Toyota ProAce Long VIP stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to luxury, efficiency, and versatility. Whether you're a business professional seeking a mobile office or a family desiring spacious travel, the ProAce Long VIP exceeds expectations on all fronts. Its blend of sophisticated design, powerful performance, and advanced features makes it a standout choice in the premium van segment. Thank you for joining us at Car Fusion. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and the latest in automotive excellence.